In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get the quiz score in Google Forms. Google Forms is a fantastic tool for creating quizzes and surveys, but one of its key features is the ability to automatically score quizzes. This feature can save you a lot of time and effort, especially if you're dealing with a large number of respondents. So, let's dive in and see how you can easily access quiz scores. First things first, to get started, you'll need to open your Google Forms quiz. Simply go to forms.google.com and sign in using your Google account. Once you're signed in, locate and select the form that you wish to work with. If you haven't created the quiz yet, you'll need to create one by clicking the blank form button and adding your questions. To ensure your form is set up to automatically score, you'll need to toggle it to quiz mode. You can do this by clicking on the settings icon in the top right corner of the page, which looks like a cogwheel. Once you're in the settings menu, navigate to the Quizzes tab, and here you'll see the option to make this a quiz. Switch it on by clicking on the toggle. Now that your form is now designated as a quiz, it's time to assign points to each question. To do this, click on any question in your form. Below the question text, you'll see an option to set the answer key. Click on Answer Key to specify the correct answer and assign a point value for the question. Do this for every question in the quiz to ensure Google Forms can accurately score respondents' answers. After setting the answer key and assigning points, once people have submitted their responses, it's time to see their scores. Go to the Responses tab, located right next to the Questions tab at the top of your form. In the Responses section, you'll see a summary of results, including charts and graphs that display overall trends. For a detailed breakdown of each respondent's answers and scores, click on the Individual tab within the Responses section. Here, you can find each respondent's submission along with their total score. At this stage, you have the option to email results back to respondents or share feedback on their answers if you wish. Lastly, if needing to see all scores at a glance, export the responses and quiz scores into a Google Sheets document. Click on the green Sheets icon, also located in the Responses section, to create a linked spreadsheet. Inside this spreadsheet, you will see each respondent's answers along with their calculated score based on the answer key you previously set. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to get quiz scores in Google Forms. This feature streamlines the process of quiz taking and grading, making it a valuable tool for teachers, event organizers, or anyone looking to gain insights from a quiz format. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more guides like these.